Thanks for stopping by here at KBdesigned. We are checking out Maho Beach in Sint Maarten.
For all you thrill seekers, be sure to stay to the end.
It was a great place to see planes arriving and departing from Princess Juliana Airport.
If you are doing this activity, though, a caution is advised. In 2017, a tourist from New Zealand died after being affected by the jet blast and sustaining an injury.
Maho Beach has fluffy white sands, restaurants, umbrella and chair rentals. It's a smaller beach on the island, but let's face it, you're here for the planes.
We chose to go to Sunset Beach Bar. We had some folks in our crowd that didn't want to be in the direct line of the planes, so they sat on the patio, had a bite to eat, and watched the planes from afar. We recommend this if you're not quite a full-on thrill seeker. But if you're a thrill seeker, get right in line.
And that, folks, is the rush at Maho Beach.